Welcome, guys. So 92. This problem is easy because okay, let me draw a graph. So basically, it's a long straight hollow cylindrical wire with inner radius A and the outer radius 2r, and the current basically is here, on the annulus, and it's uniform. As I ask you about the magnetic field. Okay, so the first thing is that when in the inside the inner circle there should be no magnetic field, because when you do so to calculate the magnetic field we use the Ampere law. So when we close a loop in here, then we cannot see any current inside. So this is 0, and then from the outer it is just 1 over r. From the outer we just have mu naught times I equals to 2 pi r b. So b is mu naught I divided by 2 pi r. So this one is simple. So this is 1 over r. So the important one is you need to find the middle. What's the middle magnetic field? So due to this 0 and 1 over r, we already can eliminate B, eliminate C. So all the remaining is A and D and E. Okay, so final is we just need to quickly find which one is correct. Somehow we just need to guess the answer, right? So 2 pi r, so this only works for r is in the middle region, so equals 2 pi r equals to mu naught times I. But important thing is that now the density for this I is okay. So let me explain why this is the density. This is the density because the area for the annulus is 3 pi r squared. Basically, it's pi times 2r squared minus 1r squared. So it's I over pi is 3r squared. So this is the curve. This is the density, and times 2 pi r dr, and from should be r bar, right? Because this is dominant variable, but I should not call it r. I use r bar. So 2 pi r bar dr bar and r over r. Okay, and then we do the calculation. And basically, we don't need to do all the calculation. We just need to find the dependence of r. So since there is r bar, so when we do integration, we will have r bar squared, and then plug r, so we will have r squared. And then from left hand side, we still have r. So we know that the b should be linear in r. B should be linear in r. So which one is linear? E. E is only linear in the middle. So the answer is E. That's it. We don't have to do anything. So that's it. And we will solve 93 and 94 in the next time.